Apollo 11, this is Houston. You are go for CLI.
Recently, there's been a considerable delay in the processing of many visas. For many students within Australia who have lodged a further student visa so they can finish their course, a significant delay in having your next visa granted may have great impact in your ability to lodge a graduate 485 visa. Hi, I'm Karl Konrad and welcome to another one of our quick tips where we cover all sorts of important tips on immigration law. I've chosen these topics based on talking to thousands of clients and the most common and often tricky circumstances they may find themselves in. Today we're discussing the importance of holding a student visa or having held a student visa in the last 6 months before you lodge a 485 visa and how delays in processing student visa extensions can cause serious problems. Many students do not finish their courses within the time of their original COE, the confirmation of enrollment. This can be for many reasons. They failed a subject, or the course structure was changed by the provider, ill health delays, reducing study loads, getting pregnant, etc., etc. This means they need to lodge a further student visa to finish the course, and often just for a single semester. They will end up on a bridging visa A, waiting for their new student visa to be granted whilst they finish their course. When it comes to applying for the graduate 485 visa, most know about needing to apply within 6 months of your course completion date. What many don't realize is that you must also either hold a student visa or have held a student visa within the last 6 months just before you lodge your application. Today we're focusing on those who no longer hold a student visa and have been waiting for that replacement but have now finished their course and looking to lodge the 485 visa. It means that since your last student visa expired and you've been holding a bridging visa A, you cannot be holding that bridging visa A for more than 6 months to lodge a valid 485 application. So for example, if your old student visa expired on the 31st of August 2021 and you finished your course on the 10th of March 2022, you can no longer lodge that 485 visa until your new student visa is granted. Also, don't forget, when your new student visa is granted, you will then still have to be within 6 months of completing your course to be able to lodge a 485 visa. If you pass this critical 6-month time frame from course completion, you would have to enroll into another course and finish that before you could lodge a 485 visa. And remember, not just any type of course to meet the 485 visa conditions. That could cost you tens of thousands of dollars. Recently, many students who have lodged extensions of their student visas have been waiting more than 8 months and still heard nothing. Quite often they are now over their crucial 6-month threshold of last holding a student visa, and this is causing significant heartache for them. My best advice is not to wait till the last month to put in your new student visa extension application. Make sure you do so as soon as you have obtained your updated COE with the new expected course completion date. You must always assume that the DOA may take a long time to grant your new student visa application. Now, this is a specific quick tip today and will only cover a limited number of people out there, but it is an important one. We make these videos to get the message out there about potential problems that can arise. If you have a friend who needs to extend their visa so they can finish their course, pass this video on to them to help them out. Whilst we can understand the need to prioritize offshore student visa applications at a time when we need them back in Australia ASAP, it cannot be at the expense of those who have already spent tens of thousands of dollars here. The department should also prioritize those student visa lodgements where the applicants are close to finishing their courses. Those students who have remained in Australia during the pandemic and helped us deserve help in return. We hope you've enjoyed this program and stay tuned next week for another fascinating quick tip. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and as always, take care out there and I'll see you next time. So bye for now.